In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete page on Wix. If you're cleaning up your site, simplifying navigation, or removing outdated content, deleting a page is quick and straightforward. I'll guide you through it and share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. Start in the Wix editor. On the left side of your screen, look for the icon that opens your site's Pages panel. It looks like a stack of pages and controls your pages and menu. Click that to open the list of all the pages on your site. This panel is where you manage what appears in your navigation and how your pages are organized, so it's the best place to remove anything you no longer need. With the Pages panel open, move your mouse over the page you want to delete. Take a second to double check the page name so you're removing the right one. If it's a page you no longer use or something that was created as a test, hovering over it will reveal additional options without selecting it. This is helpful because you don't have to open the page to remove it, and it keeps you from accidentally switching away from your current work in the editor. When you hover, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots appear next to that page. Those 3 dots open the More Actions menu. Click the 3 dots to expand that menu. Inside, you'll find several management options related to that page, like renaming, hiding, and, of course, deleting. This menu is consistent across pages, so you'll always know where to find these controls. From the More Actions menu, click Delete. Wix may ask you to confirm that you want to proceed. Confirm the deletion, and the page will be removed from your pages list in the editor. That also means it's removed from your site navigation, so visitors won't see it in your menu going forward. If you had links pointing to that page elsewhere on your site, plan to update or remove those links so no one lands on a dead end. In the editor, you'll see the change right away. When you next publish your site, the deleted page will no longer be available to your visitors. That's all there is to it. Open the Pages panel, hover over the page you want to remove, click the 3 dots to open More Actions, and choose Delete. Keep in mind that certain system or store-related pages may have limitations, and it's always smart to be sure you no longer need the content before removing it. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.